Hanan kasi ka South Rek Unailar, Chairman Bathma jong ka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission MHRC, retired Chief Justice Dr. Aftab Hussain Saikia. Hakasin ka baningkong lawan siya kani ka jala, nariw bola shimti ka kam kum Chairman jong kani Commission hakani ka jala. Hakani ka jingwan jong siya kani ka nong ba shilong, Dr. Aftab Hussain Saikia, ulai kendo karpang ru yakinong patay ko bor ka jala, banyasa me ka jingsyam jong halal ka jing trikam bat ka bor jong ka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission. Ubaha ka jing keren jong ulaong baka MHRC kadai ka kanhon ka balatha bat pun ko borling baka an Protection of Human Rights Act 1993 Henry pause ka ka commission kadai ka bor ka khlem bniat satya. Dr. Aftab Hussain Saikia ulaong bawat la ka sarkar ka lathaw ya ka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission Henry hadu menta kampat don ya ka office trikam ka bapaka. Kumta nakalyang uniu chairman jong ka MHRC ula batha ya ka sarkar jala banle ya ka baran kam. Bat ro ban play kilat klenti baki pat ba kin yo ro kalat ban ujor ling baka internet ni ka online complain.
Something relating to our human rights. People are craving for the protection of human rights everywhere, not only in Meghalaya, Assam or India, in the entire world. We are not craving for protection of human rights. We have seen it. So what is the actually, because people have high expectation, high hopes from the Human Rights Commission, whether it's state level or central level. So what is the function? This function is common, whether it is national level function, Delhi Human Rights Commission, or state level commission. Section 12 is there under that, under the law, you find that. So function is same. What they will do? This state commission will do. Except one function, so what in regards to international treaties, that is for national level. So function basically judicial side to receive the complaints and inquiries the matter. Complaint will be filed before the commission. Before that, you are not having commission. So now we are that is the main purpose for having this press conference. People, the message must go to the people in masses, so that Meghalaya has now having a Meghalaya Human Rights Commission. So people can do. So people who are suffering, who rise human rights and violating, they can approach.